Hey guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you a beach wave hair tutorial. I've got natural hair right now. It's still a bit damp, so I've got to dry it. And I want to share with you something super exciting. I am collaborating with Dyson on this video and the new Coral straightener. So I'm really excited to share with you why I've been loving this bad boy so much, how it's completely rewired my brain and the way that I feel about my hair. My hair and the damage that I put it through has never really worried me that much. I never really realized how much it mattered until I started looking after my hair recently, as you guys would know. And now that I know that I'm not damaging my hair anywhere near as much as I used to, I'm just really enjoying doing my hair and looking after it. So let's just get started. Okay, I'm quickly going to finish drying the rest of my hair with the Dyson Supersonic, the only hairdryer I've ever been able to use without making my hair a complete frizz ball. So the beachy waves I'm going to be showing you are a look that I wear pretty much all the time. If my hair's not straight, I've got beachy waves in, and I feel like I've perfected it now, and the Dyson Coral makes it so much easier. I'm super excited to show you. It's been seriously hyped up by so many of my own favorite beauty influencers. Industry leaders are using it and loving it. The user ratings and reviews on the websites that you can buy the Coral are just amazing. So I'm just really excited to show you guys why it's worth the hype. Alrighty, so this bad boy is fully charged and ready to go for up to 30 minutes. You can use it cordless or corded. I just like to use it cord free because I can use it absolutely wherever I want and I don't have to kind of find a plug point near a mirror or anything. If you charge it for 40 minutes, you'll have 90% charge. If you charge it for a bit longer at 70 minutes, you'll have full charge. And when you do use it cordless, it doesn't compromise the thermal performance or anything like that. So I'm just going to take the first section of hair, I'm going to curl it away from my face, and there we have a beautiful curl, and I'm just going to straighten the ends to make it look a little bit more beachy. And the weight distribution, it's quite weighty, and believe it or not, it actually takes a lot of the pressure off your wrist and hands. It just makes it a little bit easier to use. And I just curled this piece of hair in the opposite direction. I feel like that's a key thing with beachy waves. You go one outwards, one inwards, one outwards, one inwards. So I don't know about you guys, but normally when I am doing my hair, or especially straightening it and trying to make it really smooth and glossy, I actually end up having to kind of pass the straightener through my hair a few times to actually get it nice and smooth and frizz free, or even to just get the tress of hair from spreading all over the plaits, if you know what I mean. Like other straighteners that I've used, the hair kind of spills out of this side and spills out of this side, and it just looks all frayed and messy. I can't get the tress to just come smoothly through. And then when you do have to run your straightener through your hair 2 or 3 times, that's obviously damaging your hair 2 or 3 times more, which is so tragic. But you'll see with the Coral, look at how neat that is. Like, it really just all stays squished together in a nice, straight, smooth tress. So basically, conventional straighteners can't control your hair. Obviously, your hair kind of does what it wants between those 2 plates, and it splays, it goes everywhere, out here, out there. So the conventional straightener pretty much compensates with heat. You end up having to put more heat on your hair to get the desired effect. And this is where the Coral is different. So you've probably heard about the flexing plates. I'm gonna explain what they are to you because it's insane. Look at that tress of hair and how neat it is between the 2 plates. It just stays all together, all smooth, and then I get a beautiful smooth curl. So what's happening is these plates actually flex around the tress of hair, which means less heat is needed to achieve the same result or an even better result as what you would need with another straightener. And it's even tension as well, so it's less damage on your hair. It did take me a while to understand the flexing plate technology, so if you don't understand it, please ask me questions in the comments because I would love for you guys to actually understand it. The technology is just incredible and it's honestly game-changing. The fact that you can get an even better result with less hair damage is just crazy. Like, it's not even a result that's equivalent with another straightener with less hair damage, it's a better result. Okay, so my first section of my hair is done. Have a look at that. I normally struggle with flyaways, like massively, around the the roots of my hair. I don't know if it's from damage or just not using a good tool, but I only see smooth, silky beach waves right now. Look at that. Love it. So I'm gonna let the top section of my hair down. I'm actually just using my viewfinder as a mirror, so if my techniques looked a bit weird so far, that's probably why. I also want to touch on the fact that there are 3 heat settings. So you've got 165, 185, and 210. That tick was just letting me know that it's at 165. So normally with other straighteners, I will just go for the top setting straight away because I know with my amount of frizz, I'm not going to get the desired result, or the result that I want with any lower temperature setting. So I've been damaging my hair massively when I don't really need to, because I've been doing my hair this whole time with you guys on 165, and as you can see, that is definitely enough. Look at that smooth tress as I go down. There is no fraying or splaying. Look at the curl. I just love it. Yeah, so it's suitable for obviously all hair types, whether you've got super straight, fine hair, or whether you've got really curly or even coiled hair. I saw Jen Atkin do a tutorial with this on coiled hair and it was amazing. So they're obviously catering for all and really trying to minimize the damage while still getting the desired result. Still can't really get over the fact that I'm getting an even better result with my hair with 30 degrees less heat on my hair. It's so cool. I just like the guilt of styling my hair is just gone now. Like I don't experience it at all. And I am a massive science lover. Like I don't know the first thing about engineering, but I just love knowing funky facts. These plates have sensors in them and they actually check the temperature of the plates 100 times per second to make sure that they're not exceeding the heat setting that you've chosen, and it can stay regulated. It's so crazy. Like honestly, trust Dyson to come up with something like that. So I've still gone with the one away from my face, one towards my face, one away, one towards, and then just making sure I'm straightening the bottoms as I go. Using the Dyson tools and making sure my hair is looked after and staying healthy is just so important to me now. Like when my hair is styled, I just feel so much better, especially being someone who doesn't always wear makeup. Like it's really easy if my hair is not looked after or styled for me to look like I just don't give a crap about my appearance, and I don't feel great if my hair's not looking good. I look disheveled really easily, and if I look disheveled, I feel disheveled. I don't want to wear makeup every day. I have very troublesome skin, as you guys know. So the least I can do is make sure my hair looks and feels good every day. And now I can do that without having to feel guilty or worry about the damage that styling my hair is causing it. Thank you, Dyson. I just feel so much more comfortable in myself when I've got my hair done. Okay. All right, I'm gonna take you guys off the tripod because I really wanna make sure you can see my hair from all angles. So this is what we're dealing with. Look at how glossy it is. I haven't put any product through it yet except for some heat protectant spray before I blow dried it. So I could put some texture spray through it if I wanted, but I actually want to keep it like this because it looks really glossy and nice. I'll show you the back. So there is the back. It actually looks like I just went to the beach and it's dried if I had perfect hair. It just feels really good to be able to get salon style hair whenever and wherever I want, thanks to the cordless technology. And I also love promoting products that I know are going to work for all hair types and cater for all hair types, not just my own. Being styled by Dyson just makes me feel like I've got it together. Even if I don't, I always think I don't care what the hell I take with me when I move out of this house. I live in my family home right now, but as long as I have Mimi, who is my giant bird of paradise, the 2 chairs that I saved up for ages to buy, and my Dyson hair products with me, I will be fine. They're the things that I own that make me feel like a woman in charge. I don't know why, so don't ask me, but they're essential for me. So guys, that is all from me today. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I really want to encourage you to ask me questions if you have any. I did so much research on this product before I created a video with it because I really wanted to make sure that I understood the Coral technology technology and the flexing plates, because that is by far the most impressive and innovative thing about this straightener. It's just crazy. If you don't understand how the flexing plates mean less heat, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you've got any suggestions for any other kind of hair tutorials you want to see with either the Supersonic or the Corral. I do need to get better at using the Supersonic though. I don't know if I'd be up to scratch with giving you a tutorial just yet, but I definitely know my way around the Corral, so do let me know if you've got any tutorial ideas here on YouTube or on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you lots. Bye. Mwah.